How to add WhatsApp button and Facebook page. Now, as you do that, click right here onto your three lines, and then from in there, make sure to switch to your actual Facebook page. Now, once you have added right here or switch to your Facebook page, next thing you need to do is just click on here on the three lines again. Click right here onto your settings. And then from in here, you can see all of these things right there. So you can head over and then just look for the button option. So you can click on this right here and search right here for button. Now we have all of these things right here. You can manage your suggestions as well as your device permission. You can also head over and click on this search and search right here for WhatsApp. So let's search right here for that. And in here, you can see this WhatsApp option. Now, what you can do is you can just head over and then input right here your WhatsApp number and then connect it all together. And that way, it will actually add this particular button once you have to send this WhatsApp message. So that's how you add WhatsApp button and Facebook page. Hope we help.